unboxing this ring light so you can see what's inside of it here. So it comes with the ring light, some instructions. This is the tripod, I'm guessing. The tripod is wrapped up in here. It's already assembled. And then what's in here? Okay, so this is your phone holder, and this I think attaches here. And then you've got a power cable, and then you've got a Bluetooth enabled remote, so you can start and stop videos on iPhone or Android phone without having to touch your phone on the screen. That's it. This is the ring light once it's assembled. So the legs are adjustable. You can make it higher, or you can have it like tabletop height like this. And then it has this handle right here with a level, so you can adjust how level it is when you have your phone on it. The cell phone hookup is here. You just slide your phone right into it. And then the controls on it are on and off. You've got brightness up and down, and then this button right here controls the warmth of it. You do have to have it plugged in to use. So what you're gonna do is once you have it plugged in, you can press on and off, and it changes, or it turns it on, and then this is what changes the warmth right here. So there's like a warm white, and then there's a bright white, and something sort of in the middle. This is the middle one. And then this right here controls how dim you have it or how bright you have it. And then you also have the remote, which works when you have your phone in here. You just press it to start your video or to take a photo, and that way you don't have to reach over to touch your phone to do it.